sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, republic,
and to secure
to
all its citizens
justice,
social, economic,
and political
liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship,
equality of status,
and opportunity,
and to promote among them all
and to promote among to them
fraternity,
fraternity,
assuring the dignity of
assuring the dignity of
the individual
and the
unity and integrity
unity and integrity
of the nation.
of the nation.
In our Constituent Assembly,
In our Constitution Assembly,
this 26th day of November,
in this is 10th of November
1949,
1949,
do hereby adopt,
enact,
enact, and give to
and give to
ourselves this Constitution.
ourselves to this constitution.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.